Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we will learn how to insert SIM card in nothing phone on smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So in the nothing phone one, the SIM tray is located at the bottom side. So you can see the SIM tray. So this one is a SIM tray. So you need to insert the SIM ejector tool into this hole like this. Now the SIM tray is come out. You need to pull out from the phone. Now we take the SIM tray, you can see. Now we're going to insert the SIM cards. So I insert the second SIM now. So you need to insert the SIM card looking the golden side face upwards like this. So I'll insert the first SIM. So that's also same method. Now I inserted and lay down the two SIM cards. Now I insert this same setup into the phone. Now SIM setup inserted successfully. So waiting for network. So network is came. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.